Bonjour à toutes et à toutes. I'm back from a super holiday in the south of France. This is a special message for keen language students who want to learn French in a fun and practical way. So a lot of things are going on this September and throughout the year. Anyway, you'll find the French subtitles of this video, of course, in your settings. So first of all, the first date that you have to register is the 6th of September because my classes, group classes for pre-intermediate students are starting and they run from September to March. So the pre-intermediate people come in the morning and there's an intermediate group in the afternoon and there are only a few places left, okay? So if you're interested, ring me on 06 78943619 or send me an email at all in small letters, info singular at Parfum de France, singular all attached, -fr.com. But a lot of other things will be going on and I thought it would be a nice idea to have special workshops, seasonal workshops. I actually thought with the Brexit obviously coming, I offer you to do preparation workshops for carte de séjour interviews for those who need them, so elementary and pre-intermediate level, and of course preparation workshops for French citizenship interviews for the more sort of intermediate and advanced level. These workshops will run from mid-September to early October. If you want to find out more, I'll of course enclose a link in the descriptive of this video. Now for the more fun themed workshop, I've run in the past workshops and webinars with Vanessa, who is a dear friend of mine, who's a wine guide and a specialist in Loire Valley wines, and we're doing fun wine workshops, and there's one on the 12th of September on a Thursday for 2.5 hours where you'll see all the rates and dates in this document that will be enclosed in the link. There will be 2 other workshops in September. On Monday the 16th we'll focus on pronunciation, and 30th of September grammar in context, because for those who've been following me on Facebook and YouTube, the idea is to learn in situ, okay, to learn French in context. So that's for September. There are lots of other workshops in October. So really it's time to register to these classes to make a change with your French. You saw maybe the introduction video telling you that you have to kickstart it, whatever your level is, elementary, pre-intermediate, intermediate, upper intermediate. I will be delighted to welcome you at Parfum de France, 40 Rue Robert d'Arbrissel in Fontevraud-l'Abbé. And for those who can't do it on site but still want to do it hands-on, I've been offering online courses for the past year, and you just need to get in touch with me or subscribe to be a fan of my Facebook page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really looking forward to getting started with you all, and I wish you a nice end of summer and a lovely beginning of autumn. And now I say goodbye. À bientôt, au revoir et au plaisir. Merci beaucoup de votre écoute. Au revoir.